All right, now we've got 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2. Again, let's try this first with algebra. So we're going to model our first expression, 2x minus 3. Okay, so I'm going to model my positive 2x minus 3. Okay, got my 3 on the negative side here. And go ahead and take a picture. Okay, now we're going to take away the second expression from the first. So we're going to be taking away x minus 2. Okay, so the first part of that is relatively easy. We're going to take away 1x. Okay, so that's gone. Now, the expression is x minus 2. Remember we learned that taking away a negative in our hot air balloon unit actually makes the balloon go up. Okay, so what we're really doing here is we're going to be taking away 2 of the negatives. Okay, we're taking away 2 of the negatives since it's minus 2. Okay, so we're actually making it more positive by taking that away. So here's our simplified expression, x minus 1. Okay, go ahead and take a picture and drop that into GoodNotes. Okay, last step, write our simplified expression, which is x minus 1. Okay? Okay, so now let's try this numerically. So remember, step 1 is to find the additive inverse of the second expression. So our second expression is x minus 2. So again, we're going to find the opposite of each part. So instead of x, we're going to write negative x, and instead of minus 2, we're going to write plus 2. So the additive inverse of x minus 2 is negative x plus 2. Okay, now we're going to rewrite our expression, removing the parentheses and writing our additive inverse in. So we're going to write 2x minus 3 plus negative x plus 2. And again, those parentheses are just to show the negative sign goes with the x. Okay, so let's go ahead and color code. So 2x and negative x are going to go together. And minus 3 and positive 2 are going to go together. And let's go ahead and combine our like terms. 2x plus negative x is x, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So our simplified expression is x minus 1. And again, you can see we get the same answer both times. Oops, let me move that up for you. There you go. So you get the same answer both times here. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, so now we've got the expressions 5x minus 9 minus 2x minus 7. Okay, so again, let's try this first with the algebra block. So we're going to model 5x minus 9. Okay, so I'm going to model my positive 5x over here. And then we're going to have 9 over here. Okay. So I've got 5x minus 9 showing. Go ahead and take a picture. Drop that into GoodNotes. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and take away our second expression, which is 2x minus 7. So again, we're going to be taking away positive 2x, okay? And now we're taking away negative 7. Okay, we're taking away negative 7. So we're going to take 7 of these away. Okay. Go. And go ahead and take a picture. Drop that into GoodNotes. Okay, and then last step is to write our simplified expression, which is 3x minus 2. Okay? All right, let's try this numerically now. So again, we're just going to start by finding the additive inverse of the second expression. So 2x minus 7 is going to become negative 2x plus 7. Okay, finding those opposites. All right, let's rewrite our expression now using our additive inverse and taking out the parentheses. So 5x minus 9, okay, plus negative 2x plus 7. And again, let's go ahead and color code our like terms. So 5x and negative 2x will go together. And minus 9 and plus 7 will also go together. And let's go ahead and combine like terms. 5x plus negative 2x is 3x. Minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2. So again, our simplified expression is 3x minus 2, which is also what we got earlier, so we know we did it right. Okay, we've got 2 more left like this to go. All right, negative 2x minus 4 minus 2x. So again, let's start by modeling negative 2x minus 4. Okay, so this time our x is negative, so I'm going to put my negative 2x on my negative side here. Okay, and then we're also taking 4 away, so those are going to go on my negative side. Negative 2x minus 4 is showing. Go ahead and take a picture and drop that into GoodNotes. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and take away that second expression. So we're going to take away 2x, okay? So we're going to go ahead and take that 2x away, okay? Oh, you know what? Hold on a sec here. Since we're actually taking away okay, sorry about that. So we've got negative 2x minus 4 showing. And we want to take away positive 2x. But the problem is we don't have positive 2x to take away. So what we have to do is actually add on 2 more negatives over here. Okay, since we don't have 2x to take away from here, we're adding on 2 more negative x's over here. Okay, so this is our simplified expression. Go ahead and take a picture and drop that into GoodNotes. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and write our simplified expression, which is negative 4x minus 4. Okay, so let's try this numerically now. So again, finding the additive inverse of the second expression. So 2x becomes negative 2x. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as negative 2x minus 4 plus negative 2x. And go ahead and color code like terms. Our minus 4 is all by itself. Go ahead and combine like terms. Negative 2x and negative 2x is negative 4x minus 4. So again, our simplified expression is negative 4x minus 4. And we can see we got the same answer both times. Okay, just one more to try this way. 4x minus 4 minus negative 2x plus 2. So again, let's start by modeling that first expression. So we're going to model 4x minus 4. So I'm going to show my positive 4x, okay, over here on my positive side. and then minus 4 over on the negative side. So we've got 4x minus 4 showing. Go ahead and take a picture. Drop that into GoodNotes. Okay, and now we're going to take away the second expression, which again, our second expression is negative 2x plus 2. Okay, so again, we want to take away negative 2x, but we don't have any negative 2x. So instead of taking away negative 2x, we're going to add on 2x to our positive side. Okay? And then we also need to take away positive 2, but again, we don't have positive 2, so we're going to have to add on the negative 2 to our negative side. Okay? Go ahead and take a picture. Drop that into GoodNotes. Okay? And then we're going to go ahead and write our simplified expression, which is 6x minus 6. Okay? Let's go ahead and try this numerically. So start by finding the additive inverse of the second expression. So negative 2x plus 2 becomes 2x minus 2. Finding the opposites. Opposite of negative 2x is positive 2x. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. So let's go ahead and rewrite our expression. 4x minus 4 plus 2x minus 2. And then go ahead and color code your like terms. So we've got 4x and 2x. And minus 4 and minus 2. Okay, combine your like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So our simplified expression is 6x minus 6. Okay, and again, you can see we got the same answer both times. All right, we've got one more problem before we're done with our notes. This is a real-world problem to help us connect the ideas. It says a hat store tracks the sales of college and professional team hats for M months. The number of college hats sold is represented by 6M plus 3. The number of professional hats sold is represented by 5M minus 2. Write an expression to show how many more college hats were sold than professional hats. Then evaluate the expression if M equals 10. Okay, so let's start by writing our expression that we're going to, finding the difference, so we want to subtract. So we're going to do 6M plus 3 minus 5M minus 2. Remember, step 1 is to find the additive inverse of our second expression. So 5M minus 2 becomes negative 5M plus 2. Okay? So then rewrite your expression without your parentheses using that additive inverse. So 6M plus 3 plus negative 5M plus 2. Go ahead and color code like terms. So we've got 6M and negative 5M. And positive 3 and positive 2. Combine your like terms. 6M and negative 5M is M. 3 plus 2 is 5. So our simplified expression is M plus 5. Now the problem also asks you to evaluate if M equals 10. So if we plug in 10 for M, we can see that they sold 15 more hats. Okay. Alright, so this concludes our notes on adding and subtracting linear expressions. Be sure to do the note check before moving on.
Great job, you guys. You finally finished all of the parts of adding and subtracting linear expressions. Please go complete the final note check, and then you're ready to move on to more practice.